swagTron here, and if you're trying to replace the back tire, this one got all shredded up. All you need is 2 Allen wrenches, left and right. I purchased a new tire for $20. It was a little bit hard to find. It wasn't under the word swagTron. I purchased it on eBay, and it was called a 5-inch mini electric scooter. If you're not sure your size, take a measuring tape and measure your wheel. There's a few different sizes. 2 Allen wrenches of the same size. This size that was needed was a number 4 on the metric. And so I put one on top, one on bottom, and I just reversed them. And now I got the screw unscrewing counterclockwise. Once this piece comes out right here, when that comes out, you just keep unscrewing counterclockwise, and then it's coming out more and more as I keep turning. There it goes, pull the shaft out. This is so easy to change, guys. You pull this out, and we're gonna put the new wheel back in. This with 2 hands, but you're gonna take this nut and place it here, and the other one here goes on top. So that's how it goes, and you slide that in there. I have to pull my shaft out more. Flat on another. Make sure to put the flat side on the back side. Shaft into there. As you can see, I got the 2 spacers in between each side of the tire. And now I'm gonna stick this bolt in there after I screw it in all together. You're actually just pushing this in, and it doesn't screw in. It only screws into here. But to get this out, you'll probably need a pliers when you go to pull it out. So it's actually just in there. It's not screwed in at that moment once it's unscrewed from this base. But now I'm ready to put it all back together. Got it all screwed in tight. It's all done. That's it. So for about 20 bucks, you could fix your back tire on your swagTron. If this video helps you out, give me a thumbs up.